What we want to do is calculate the slope from these circled data points. And remember that the slope is equal to delta y over delta x. So the y-axis is here, so we want to calculate the delta y. Okay, I'm just going to draw a dashed line. You don't necessarily need to do this, but I'm just going to add this to provide some more information in case you need to review the slope. Okay. So this is delta y, okay, and it's obtained by subtracting the y values here. Okay, so look over at the left side of the axis here, and we can see that's a value of about 9.8. Okay, and this value here has a value of about 5.1. Okay, so that's what we get for delta y. We want to do the same thing for delta x. The x values are here on this horizontal axis. So we want to bring this down, and I found nice whole numbers, right? So this has a value of 13 at this point, and this has a value of 5 here. So the delta x is going to be 13 minus 5, or 8. Now what we do is calculate the slope. The slope is delta y over delta x. Delta y, I need to calculate that. So 9.8 minus 5.1 is 4.7. And the delta x is 8. So we go ahead and calculate 4.7 divided by 8. And we get 0.5875 on the calculator. Our data is all to 2 sig figs, so it might be reasonable to round this up to 2 sig figs. The slope here is equal to 0.59. Okay, that's how you calculate the slope.